In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and manage page zoom on Microsoft Edge. Whether you want to make web pages easier to read or need to adjust the view for a specific site, understanding how to control zoom settings can greatly enhance your browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Edge on your device. This is where you access all the websites you frequently visit. With Edge open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the interface. There you'll notice three dots stacked vertically. This is the menu icon, and clicking on it will reveal a variety of options. From this drop down menu, look for and select Settings. This section is your gateway to personalizing how Edge works and appears. Now that you're in the Settings menu, shift your focus to the left panel. This panel contains different categories of settings, all designed to help tailor your Edge experience. Click on the option labeled Appearance. As the name suggests, this area lets you customize the visual aspects of your browser. Within the appearance settings, scroll down to find the section called Other Appearance Settings. Here you will discover the page zoom option. This setting is pivotal for adjusting the size of the content on every site you visit. Beside page zoom, there's a drop down menu. By clicking this drop down, you can choose a zoom percentage that best fits your needs. Selecting a higher percentage will enlarge page content, while a lower percentage will make it smaller. This flexibility ensures that Edge can meet various reading preferences and visual requirements. If there's a particular site where you want to set a unique zoom level, this next part is for you. Begin by navigating to the website in question. With the site open, once again head to the trusty three dots in the top right corner. That's your Settings and More menu. Look for the Zoom section in this menu. Here you'll find plus, plus and minus E buttons. Clicking on the plus will incrementally increase the zoom level, making everything larger, while the minus kicks it back a notch, reducing the view size. This is perfect for times when you need a closer or broader view of website content without affecting the global settings. Adjusting these zoom settings can markedly enhance your browsing experience, making content more accessible and comfortable to interact with. Whether tweaking a single page or setting a universal standard, these easy steps ensure you're always in control of how information is displayed. That's all for today's tutorial on zoom management in Microsoft Edge. Enjoy this newfound control over your browsing experience and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to make some changes.